In this video, we'll be studying preposition in Norsk. So preposition are used in the place of Sted. Sted betyr places. So the prepositions in Norsk is called a preposisjoner. So this is er is added for it is plural, right? So what we can say is that preposisjoner kan fortelle hvor noe er. So where something is tell by preposition. So I will just write it here. Preposisjoner forteller hvor noe er. Where something is tell by prepositions. So you can see the image here. So in this image, I will write down the name. So this is the picture. So bilda. So this is bilda. So du må se bilda, right? So this is bilda. Bilda betyr the picture, and you can see this is stool. This is sko. Yeah, sko. Sko is the shoe. SKO. Let me check. School. That is school. Because on school. That is book. So the book is bo. So that is book. This is the cup. So cup. Yeah. So we have these things in this picture. Again, we have boor. Boor. Yeah, this is boor. Because of this is the table boor. So we have to use preposition in this case in Norsk, right? So for this, you can use various prepositions. As in English, we have different prepositions. In Norsk, we have also different prepositions. So we can use different prepositions like, for example, på, for example, i, for example, bak, for example, foran, in front, ved siden av is next by, eller we can use mellom, between. We can also use under, betyr under in English, og over, that is over in English. So these are our prepositions we will be generally or mostly using, right? I can write, for example, this is a cup. Cup is in the table, right? So the cup is in the table. So it should be the cup is koppen står på. What is the table? Is the table, right? So the table is bore. Here T is silent and D is also silent. Koppen står på bordet. Ikke sant? Yeah. So first, so preposition på is used. So it is cup is at the table. For example, is over the table, is on the table, right? So it is that. The second example, I'll be using E. Now I'll be using E. So you can see inside this cup there may be something like kaffe, eller te, eller barn. Yeah. So this is something is there in this cup. So we can skrive it. Det er kaffe i koppen. So inside the cup there is the kaffe. Yeah. So we'll be using now back preposition. So you can see which thing is back. For example, this cup is just behind or back of this book. So you can say koppen står bak boka is the book. Yes. So these are very simple examples that we are using here. So now what we can write is the another example. In the same way, if the cup is back of the book, then the book is in front of the cup. So you can also write boka ligger with the lies foran koppen. So the book lies in front of the cup. Yes. Fifth. So we will be using best siden of, that is next by. So you can see the table is best siden of stool, right? So the table is next by the stool. So you can say what you can write is bora står ved siden av stolen. Ikke sant? Veldig, veldig lett. Now, 6 number. So you can see here. So this is a, for example, stool. This may be suppose wall. If suppose wall. If this is a board. So the stool lies between the wall and the board. So you can write in this case as stolen står mellom the wall is veggen og bordet. Ikke sant? Yes. So we'll use under. You can see this is the shoe. So these are two shoes, then it will be shoene. So shoene står under. So under this is the stool, so it should be stolen. Ikke sant? Yeah. So in the last we'll be using over. So you can see in this picture you can see this is the builder. So builder, this is the builder. So in this case you can write is, so in this case what you can write is, so build. So this picture is over the table, right? So what you can write is, so this is builder henger over både. So bildet henger over båret. So this is another example. So you are using over. So here we use på, i, bak, foran, ved siden av, mellom, under, over. So these are certain examples of prepositions. Eller du kan si det er preposisjoner i norsk. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.